Welcome back to Turbo Rider today. Let's talk about the 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy 114, one of the most legendary cruisers ever made. It's bold, powerful, and carries that unmistakable Harley attitude on every road. Engine and performance. The Fat Boy 114 is powered by the Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine, a massive 1,868 cubic centimeters V-twin that delivers around 94 horsepower and 162 Nm of torque. It comes with a 6-speed cruise drive transmission and Harley's signature air-cooled system, giving you smooth, effortless torque and that deep Harley rumble we all love. Design and comfort. This bike keeps the classic softail frame, which gives it a solid, muscular look while hiding a modern rear monoshock for comfort. It rides on 18-inch solid Lancaster wheels, with a super-wide 240mm rear tire, a true Fat Boy trademark. The seat height is low at 675mm, making it comfortable for riders of all sizes, and it holds 18.9 liters of fuel, perfect for long, relaxed rides. Technology and features. The 2025 Fat Boy 114 includes LED lighting, ABS, cruise control, and a keyless ignition system as standard. The digital display shows gear position, range, trip meters, and more, giving a mix of classic style with modern tech. Colors and styling. This year, Harley offers new finishes like Vivid Black, Red Rock, Alpine Green, and Billiard Grey, all enhanced with chrome detailing that makes the bike stand out wherever it goes. Price and verdict. The 2025 Fat Boy 114 starts at around $22,000 in the US, and in countries like India or Pakistan, it can cost up to 28 Indian rupees lakh or 1 rupee crore, depending on import duties. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.